In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively find information using the Global Find tool in Basecamp, specifically when you're working within any project that has the card table tool enabled. Whether you're trying to locate a specific message, file, or card, this guide will show you how to navigate Basecamp's search feature seamlessly. Starting on your Basecamp project page, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find the Global Find tool. This is your go-to place for searching within your project. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on Find. This action will open up a search bar where you can type in the term or phrase you're eager to find. It's important here to be as specific as possible with your keywords to help narrow down your search results. After entering your query, Basecamp provides you with powerful options to filter your results. This is where the search tool gets even more effective. You can refine your search by type, whether you're looking for a message, a file, or a card. Furthermore, you can sort your results by person or project context. This means if you remember who shared a particular piece of information or which project it belongs to, those details can be incredibly useful in honing your search results even further. Once your results populate, you might find yourself looking at a list of potential matches. A practical tip here is if you have some idea about any part of the card's title, its description, or even a comment within it. This knowledge can accelerate your search process. Finding even a small piece of the puzzle can lead you directly to the card you're aiming to find. Now, once you spot the card in the results list that you want to explore further, just click on it. This action will either navigate you directly to its position in the relevant column or open it for closer inspection, depending on your setup or preference. This instant jump to the card's location within the project can save precious time and streamline your workflow significantly by reducing the amount of manual navigation you need to do. In summary, the Find tool in Basecamp is a robust feature that, when used to its full potential, can dramatically enhance your efficiency in managing and locating information within any project. By leveraging precise keyword input, utilizing the filtering options, and relying on your memory for specific details related to your search, you can make the process of finding exactly what you need both quick and easy. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope this empowers you to master Basecamp's search functionalities with confidence.